This is a real live subscription business. Website, payments, the whole thing. And here's the part that's actually crazy. I didn't pick the product. AI did. I gave an AI team 3 product ideas and told them to figure out which one was actually worth building. What happened next built this entire business from start to finish, and I'm about to show you exactly how. Okay, so here's where I actually started. I had 3 ideas for a subscription-based beauty or supplement brand, and I genuinely didn't know which one, if any, was worth building. Normally, this is where I'd spend days digging through trend data, checking competitors, and analyzing demand. Instead, I just handed this whole decision over to an AI team to see what they'd actually tell me. So let me jump on my laptop and show you exactly what I mean. Now, if you haven't heard of this is called Atoms. It was formerly known as MGX, but they just rebranded recently. And the whole idea behind Atoms is that it's not just a coding tool. It's your next gen business team. So it's a full AI team that doesn't just build you an app. It takes an idea all the way to a profitable business. And that's the part that I actually want to test today. So basically, Atoms has all of these different AI agents that live directly in the platform. Like for example, you have Mike, which is a team lead. You have Adrian, which is an ad specialist. You have Sarah, which is an SEO specialist. Emma, the product manager. Bob is an architect. Alex is an engineer. David is a data analyst, and Iris is a deep researcher. So for this task specifically, we're gonna go ahead and use Iris. She's a deep research agent. I gave her all 3 product ideas and asked her to tell me which one actually has real demand behind it. And that's not just me guessing anymore. This is an actual research process telling me which one is worth my time. So I'll go ahead and upload my 3 different product ideas. We have these vitamin C serum drops right here. We have these daily greens drink supplement, as well as these hair growth gummies. And I'm gonna go ahead and ask it which one that I should directly focus on for this video. Which one has the most potential out of all of these? So I'll type in this whole prompt right here, upload those product images, and let's see what it comes up with. So Alex the engineer breaks down this initial task to begin with. Now we have Sarah, the SEO specialist, pulling up all of the research data and seeing exactly which product we should focus on. So the AI agent Sarah is going to dig through all of these different web pages and go ahead and perform our product research for us, breaking down those 3 different products, seeing which one we should start by focusing on. And that's not just me guessing anymore. This is AI-backed product research based on real data. So now that we have an idea locked in, let's get started building it. So the AI agent Sarah just went ahead and did all the product research for us, verified all of the data, and now it's coming up with a full decision report and business brief. It's literally giving us everything we need to know for those 3 products I uploaded. And here's the results of what it came up with. So it went ahead and chose the vitamin C serum as the product we should go with, but rather than just telling me the product in a simple opinion, it gave us a full breakdown and a full research report that we can read through for each one of these products right here. So it talks about why we shouldn't focus on the hair growth gummies, why we shouldn't focus on the greens powder, and why this product is the winner compared to both of those. We have a chart breaking down the current demand, subscription potential, differentiation, margin potential, and so on. And then even more information for each one of these products down here. So out of all of these, it looks like we're gonna go ahead and go with that vitamin C serum. So now let's have our team of AI agents build this entire business for us. From the website to the product pages to the actual subscription model and payments, this can do everything. It can take you from a simple idea like this to a live business that's ready to launch tonight. So I'll go ahead and paste in my new prompt here for the store build and everything I'm looking for. We'll upload that and we'll let these agents get to work. Let's see what it comes up with. Now that the product's decided, the rest of the team takes over. Emma's the product manager. She turns the idea into an actual spec. Bob's the architect, deciding on how the whole thing should actually be structured. And Alex is the engineer actually building it. So I'm gonna give it some time and see exactly what it comes up with. All right, so after a few minutes, this is now complete. Let's see what it came up with. That's a real storefront, built around a product that an AI team told me was actually worth making. But a nice looking page isn't a business yet. That's the next step. Here's the part that most AI tools completely skip. The back end. Anyone can generate a nice looking page. Almost none of them can handle what actually makes it a business. So I'm gonna go ahead and paste in our next prompt, telling these AI agents exactly what I want. It's gonna set up the user accounts, login, database, Stripe integration, subscription billing, everything. And that's the actual hard part of a subscription business, done in just one prompt. Now for something that I genuinely think is one of the coolest features on here. Instead of just trusting one AI agent's first attempt, Atoms has a thing called race mode. Multiple AI teams build competing versions of the same thing at the same time, and you just pick the best one. So I'll go ahead and paste in our next prompt, we'll upload it, and we'll let the agents get to work. Now we have multiple AI teams racing to build the best version of my launch page, and I just get to pick the winner. No guessing which prompt will work. I get options here. You guys can see it work through this entire process from start to finish. So now that that is complete, let's compare the results right here. You can see our first output with our second output, and you can compare these two different options, go through them all, check out all the different pages, layout, structure, and see exactly what these agents came up with. So spend some time going through each one until you find the version that you like better. And that's the clear winner. That is seriously such a cool feature. I've never seen another AI tool do this. So our store's built, our payments are live, but running an actual business means I need to see what's happening behind the scenes too. So we'll focus on Sarah, the SEO agent. She's making sure this page can actually get found on Google instead of just sitting there looking nice, because we need to get traffic to our new store. And this is the difference between a demo and an actual business. I can see my subscribers, manage things on the back end, and the SEO side is already working in the background for me. And all I had to do was paste in a couple prompts and let these AI agents get to work for me. So let's go back to the start. This is that same store. We have a real storefront with real subscription billing through Stripe and a complete backend that I can manage. This isn't just a prototype. This is a complete business that's ready to start taking subscriptions right now. And the store being live isn't the end of it. Adams also has an ad agent, Adrian, that can actually set up and run Google ad campaigns for this thing automatically. So the next logical step isn't just to go figure out marketing myself. This is actually already built in. So not only can Adams come up with your product ideas and build your store, it can create the entire backend, set up all of your SEO, billing, subscriptions, and do all of your marketing for you. This is a complete AI team that can build your business from start to finish and handle everything, as you guys have just seen right here. Show me any other AI tool out there that can do all of this just from one prompt. If you want to try this out yourself, again, it's called Adams. I'll leave a link for you guys down below. This is definitely worth testing out, even just to see what it tells you about your own product idea. So if you found any value in this video, be sure to leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more. And that's all I've got for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.